What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. I call this huge NAS100 trade live for free. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this. We post trading tip videos, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos, and most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 AM EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. Now, not only did we break this down during the Sunday chart analysis, but we broke this down and entered this on the live stream. Now this trade right here was a huge 1-to-6 risk reward ratio. So that means whatever we risked, we made 6 times that amount. So we risked $100, we made $600. If we risked $1,000, we made $6,000 on this one trade alone. So here's the date, January 29th, it matches this date here, January 29th. You can see the personal entry, 17,450 SLs and the TPs. So now let's break down why we took this trade and how you can catch similar setups like this. Now, again, this is NAS100, but this strategy works on literally anything with charts. Crypto, gold, currency pairs as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to identify the trend. The trend is going to tell you what direction price is going overall, which is going to tell you what position you want to take, whether that's a buy or sell. For example, right now we look at price, we're in an uptrend. So since we're in an uptrend, that means price is trending upwards and it's pushing to the upside 60, 70, 80, 90% of the time. So since we do not control the markets, if I'm going to take a position on this trade, I'll have a higher likelihood of it going in my favor if I go for a buy versus a sell. Now, this is when things get tricky. Before we break this down, if you do not understand how to identify the trend, pause this video and watch the one that just popped up on the corner of your screen on the top left or right, because it's very important to understand how to read the charts. If you do not know how to read the charts, you're just going to struggle with trading. Go ahead and rip that Band-Aid off. So this was very important, right? So a lot of people would assume the price was going to continue to go down, especially because the last 2 days price was going down. But what you have to understand that this is simply just a retracement. Not every red candlestick means sell, just like not every green candlestick means buy. That's why it's important to understand the rules of price and what direction price is going. So since we know we're in an uptrend, until price shows us otherwise, we're going to look for buy setups. Now that we have our game plan, all we have to do is identify our key price levels, wait for price to hold our next support level, and then enter a buy. Boom. So now we have our key price levels marked up. So like I said, you want to enter buys off support, you want to enter sells off resistance. So if you do not understand how support resistance works, I got y'all again. Pause this video and make sure to watch the one that just popped up on your screen. So now that we have our key price levels marked off, now is when we want to go into a smaller time frame, see how price is reacting to our levels. Again, the bigger time frames are to identify the trend and direction. The smaller time frames are specifically to show you what price is doing at that moment. So boom, we see price right here is struggling to hold this level as support. So I either want to look for a buy here or I want to look for a buy here. Now I start streaming on London session, and then of course it was a Sunday, so I don't trade Sunday nights. So we couldn't get to that move right there, right? But if we would have been able to enter there, we would have been super deep in profit, a lot more than we were already, when we took this position. So right here, as we can see, again, we want to enter buys off support, sells off resistance. Currently, price is treating this level as a resistance. So before I take this buy, I need to patiently wait for price not only to break this level, but show me that it can hold this level as a support. And once price shows me that, that's when I enter. But if price shows me it can't, then I'm not going to enter. It's that simple. Boom, it rejected again. So we're still patiently waiting. Boom. So price broke this level. Now it's holding as support. So now I just want to wait for a retest, and then I'm going to enter. Right here's the retest. So it's right after this candlestick where we entered, right? We go to the signal. We entered at 3:30. This is the 3:15 candlestick. So literally the next candlesticks when we entered, once it started, we entered right here. Nice push to the upside. So as we can see, price struggled a little bit, started ranging. But again, this is why it's important to go with the flow of price. One thing we can see is the entire time, price is still respecting this level as support. So all we had to do was just patiently wait for volume. And once the volume kicked in, as you can see, it exploded to the upside, giving us a huge win and a huge trade. You see the reactions, you see the flames, and of course you see that beautiful screenshot of that exact move. There was that consolidation, and the price just proceeded to explode to the upside. It's literally that simple, y'all. Identify the trend, follow the trend, understand the rules of price, enter buys off support, sells off resistance. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal Room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels or interested in the Signal Room or my mentorship services, go ahead and hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play Signal Room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal Room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sells going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn. But then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.